Good day, kids! How are you today? Are you ready to learn a new lesson? This is Sir Klets and I'll be your teacher for this lesson. Today, we will explore the world of English. But before that, do you already have your pen, notebook, and learning module with you? Good! Come and let's start! Welcome to English 6, Module 5 for the 4th quarter. With the topic, Using Appropriate Graphic Organizers in the Text Read. At the end of this lesson, you should be able to use appropriate graphic organizers in the text read. Before we proceed to our new lesson, let us have first a quick review of your previous lesson. Are you ready, class? Let's start! Directions. Tell me if the given word is coordinating conjunction or subordinating conjunction. Number 1, but. If your answer is coordinating conjunction, your answer is correct. Number 2, because. If your answer is subordinating conjunction, your answer is correct. 3, yet. If your answer is coordinating conjunction, your answer is correct. 4, if. If your answer is subordinating conjunction, your answer is correct. Number 5, nor. If your answer is coordinating conjunction, your answer is correct. Good job, kids! You really understood your previous lesson. Class, look at these pictures. What have you noticed? Do you have any idea about these images? These images are examples of graphic organizers. Do you know what a graphic organizer is? Graphic organizer is a visual display that demonstrates relationships between facts, concepts, or ideas. It guides the learner's thinking as they fill in and build upon a visual map of diagram. They're also informally used as a term to describe all visual learning strategies such as concept mapping, webbing, mind mapping, and more. There are different forms of graphic organizers, each with its own unique way of organizing and displaying specific bits of information. Number 1 is Venn diagram. This is used to highlight the similarities and differences between two things. Venn diagrams are recommended especially for comparison and contrast essays. Let's take a look at an example as well as the steps to make a Venn diagram. Although nuts and beans have their own set of similarities, there are still some intriguing differences between them. Nuts and beans are two foods that are rich in protein, and they are found inside a shell or pod. However, a nut is considered as a fruit while a bean is considered as a seed. To make a Venn diagram, draw two overlapping circles. Next, write down the topics being compared on the top of each circle. Then, write down the differences inside its own sector, avoiding the overlapping area. Finally, list the similarities in the common area. Let's move on to the next one. List. This graphic organizer is used to enumerate. It does not show hierarchy or order, but it shows which things belong to a certain category. Let's take a look at an example as well as the steps to make a list graphic organizer. Sports in the Philippines is an important part of the country's culture. There are 7 major sports in the Philippines: basketball, boxing, tennis, badminton, football, billiards, and volleyball. Despite being a tropical nation, ice skating has recently become a popular sport in the Philippines. Sports such as athletics, weightlifting, aerobics, and martial arts are also popular recreations. How to make a list graphic organizer. First, you have to draw a shape or line according to the number of items that you are going to enumerate. Next, put the category title at the upper part of the shape or line. Finally, list or write in the box the items being enumerated. How about a process graphic organizer? This graphic organizer is useful, especially when you have information about a certain method or process of doing something. It shows not only the steps, but also the order in which they should be done. Here are some examples of process graphic organizers that can be used in the text read. Next is Cycle Graphic Organizer. This graphic organizer is used to organize pieces of information that are cyclical or circular. 2 common examples are the life cycle and metamorphosis. We also have the cause and effect. It describes how events affect one another in a process. The student must be able to identify and analyze the cause and effect of an event or process. Next is web chart. A web chart is used to show connections between pieces of information. A web chart usually starts with one general topic, which branches out into other related but more specific topic or information. It does not show a process or a hierarchy. It only shows how certain ideas are connected to one another. Web charts are usually used to narrow down topics or to categorize. Before we end our lesson, let me tell you this first. Why do we need to use graphic organizers? Graphic organizers integrate both text and visuals. This has been scientifically proven to be an effective way of teaching and learning. Using them can be extremely useful for both teachers and learners, as they will make lessons for more engaging and easily comprehensible. Thank you for your time. I hope you enjoyed our lesson this week.